Mediven betamethasone. Cream stands as a beacon of relief for those grappling with various inflammatory skin conditions. This topical corticosteroid, infused with the potent betamethasone, works wonders in alleviating the discomfort associated with eczema, psoriasis, dermatitis, and lichen planus. Patients often find solace as the cream swiftly reduces redness, swelling, and that relentless itching that can disrupt daily life. The application is straightforward. A thin layer should be gently spread over the affected area once or twice daily, but caution is essential. Sensitive regions like the face, groin, or underarms should be avoided unless specifically directed by a healthcare professional. Users are advised to limit the duration of use to prevent skin thinning and should never apply it to fungal, bacterial, or viral infections without the guidance of a doctor. With proper use, Mediven betamethasone cream can be a transformative ally in the fight against stubborn skin ailments, restoring comfort and confidence.